Hi, this is
Dad.
and Matt. So, well, today you're gonna see my bike. Yes, I've got a bike. Yeah. You're gonna see it in 10, 9, 8, 10. 10, 9, 8, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Snap! This is Dad and Matt on YouTube.
Stay tuned. Check this out. 3, 2, 1, go! Right, so I'll tell you the story about this. So, when we interviewed Dynamo Tightstar, that video will be out soon, I promise. And that's the last of our interview videos that we did during quarantine. Mad learned about his son, who has what they call a Rage Raptor, which is an electric motorcycle, 36 volt. And it looked a lot of fun, and you said you wanted one, didn't you?
Yeah.
And he has not shut up about it since. So, with coronavirus and lockdown and whatever, Soph's at risk of losing her job, isn't she? Mummy is. So we've been squirreling away money, and we've said to Mad, we can't afford that right now. And she said, well, what if I save for it? And I said, you can save for it if you want. So it was like £5 here and then a couple of pounds there. And then it was your birthday. And Mad had a fair chunk of cash for a birthday off.
Wait, yeah. Tell them how much.
It was over 250 quid.
So Mum and Dad just added a little bit more money.
So we added a bit more money. We withdrew some money from Patreon, which we don't talk about really. Well, we haven't spoke about it, but we have one for those because we were asked if we would open one, so I have. So naturally, because I don't talk about it, we don't have many patrons. But those who have, we're truly grateful because we withdrew the funds that were in there, and that has also gone towards Mad's bike.
Oh yeah.
But basically, we said to Mad after her birthday, I said you could get a lot of toys, a lot of books, a lot of Switch games for your Nintendo Switch. And she was like, nope, I want my bike. And we were like, all right. So.
I want to show them the helmet.
You want to show them the helmet?
Yeah. Yeah. You stay. You wait. You need to wait. My dad is getting the helmet. The helmet that is on Dad and Matt.
I think you should save the rules. So Mad wants to show you a helmet. So you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Look at that. So we wanted HJC because Mad's other helmet is HJC. And this is the one that we looked at. Mad chose the design. I gave her the choice of the designs of this helmet. And it's Marvel, isn't it? Avengers.
Yeah, look at the top.
You like it? She loves it. We've also got some boots, which you'll see in a future video. Gloves, jersey, just trousers to get. But there'll be a couple more videos of this bike, obviously, in future. So enjoy this one, and thanks very much.
Yeah, enjoy. Please enjoy. Please. Oh, my bag's over there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait, it actually comes with a key. Oh, the seat's warm.
The seat's warm.
actually love the seats. That's my favourite part.
Is it? Guys, it's got your name on that.
Me?
Very much.
What is that?
I have no idea.
What is it? Wow, the seats for architecture. Huh. Does it actually come with keys or?
Yeah.
A key! I'll get my own key! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Hello! We are starting to build the bike, as you can see. Look at it! Look! Oh, there's a paper there. This is so exciting! We're gonna do the handlebars. Oh, this is so exciting! I can't believe that I've got my own keys. Wish us luck.
17mm spanner to tighten these nuts. Yeah.
Yep, we use a 17mm spanner to tighten the nuts.
And why is it important that they're tight?
It's important that they're tight, because we don't want the bike collapsing, you know, collapse. And if I don't have the handles and it's on, then lose control of the bike. Dun, dun, dun. So we don't want that happening. That's right, it has to be really, really, really good. So if you go too high when you've only just started, then you might crash or you might lose control of the bike.
So what does the bike have, Matt? What feature does it have to help you with that?
Brakes.
Yeah, but what else does it have?
Uh,
Does it have speed settings?
yeah, speed settings.
So what setting? How many settings are there?
There's 3. Low, high and medium.
So how are we going to do that? What are we going to do?
So we're going to put it on low when I first start. But what does it do?
Just go slower.
Speed.
Yeah.
Ah.
Like it's not as responsive, I don't think, and it'll have a lower top speed.
I know it looks like a... What does it look like?
Rage Raptor.
It looks like a Rage Raptor. I know it looks like a Rage Raptor, but it's not. It's a...
Offspeed.
Offspeed. They do good bikes, as you can see.
It's 500 watt. That's the power. 500 watt. 36 volts.
500
Watts.
watts. I thought you said 500 what? Because I thought you said that you thought that I said 500 and something.
No.
Ah, happy days.
Do you want to pass the wheel over, Matt?
Rolly, 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 roll, rolly, 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 roll. I've got to say, Dad, you did a great well job.
So lift up, and then put it back and then lift up.
Oh, like that.
Keep it tight on the nut. Is that getting tight now? Hang on, better do the last bit then.
This is the best day of my life. I gotta save my life. Electric bike, baby, that's the philosophy. Hold, look and listen, baby. Hold, listen, look, oh, baby.
Try it on.
Hey, what? Wait.
It's not finished yet. Try it on.
Oh, I love it. I love it. We have just secured the batteries. There. Love you. Love all you guys who are watching. So, we're going to save the stickers for after. We're going to charge it and make some adjustments. Make sure you subscribe and everything and all that. And have a nice day. Signing out from Dad and Mad.
So there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks again to those on our Patreon. You know who you are. Thank yous at the end of the video in the credits also for contributing towards this bike. You are a part of this and we are truly appreciative of that. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Dad.
And Mad signing out again.